Hello, heroes. Joe Smith here again. Another episode of Joe Knows. Have here A3 bearing, but there's several different bearing numbers, different size similar to this. It's common wheel bearing. This particular one was from Trailer, I believe. Put some new ones in. This is an old one that was still decent, but your car, your truck has similar bearings to this in. They're kind of angled, and Joe Smith here is going to teach you how to pack them with grease before you install them in your trailer, car, mower, wheel hub, or whatever you have used this kind of bearing for. A couple different methods. They have, of course, bearing packer tool on here where you put it in there, you screw this down and all the way, and then hook your grease gun up here, and then it pumps grease down through the shaft, and then fills bearing completely up all the way around. Works pretty good. Not a bad tool to have. You get them at your local auto parts store, or you can probably find them online. But Joe Smith's going to show you the old-fashioned way that Joe Smith's dad taught him how to do. You start out, container of grease. You just kind of get a bunch on your hand there, and then you take it on the larger side, wider side, bottom, whatever you want to call it. And you just kind of try and scrape it to where you're scraping it into the groove there. And it's kind of messy, as you can see. Using the tool's not quite as messy, but and you just keep working your way around the bearing. This one already has some old grease in it, but when you get a brand new one, don't come with any grease in it, so you'll see it start to come out the top then as you're scraping in the bottom, and then that's when you know it's filled up. And of course, leftover grease just kind of wipe around the outside there, and usually this is already driven, pressed into the hub or that, but it's just an extra one. We'll go ahead and probably get a plastic bag here in a sec, but to put it in before we put it in the box, but just put it back in the box there and put it on a shelf for the future use because it's still a good bearing. But went ahead and put all new ones in both sides. Oh, there you go. That's the old-fashioned way of packing a bearing. Or, of course, you could use a newfangled tool they have, too. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been another episode of Joe Knows How to Pack Bearings. It's Joe Smith, signing out.